I bought some turkey at the store. It's turkey breast that is sliced, and I'm going to take it and put it in a Ziploc bag with a little water, because it's fairly thick. I want it a little bit thinner, and I'm going to pound it out some. So I have that one piece of turkey here flattened out. I'm going to put some either Cajun or Creole seasoning on one side. And turn it. And some salt. Just salt on the other side. I just want a little bit of seasoning from the Cajun and a little bit of salt on the other side. I'm going to let this sit for a half hour. And then next I have 2 eggs here. I have a spoonful of flour. It's about a tablespoon and a half. I'm going to add some buttermilk. So you want about half buttermilk, half egg. So that's about right. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then just mix all this up. Well, it was in the fridge for a little over an hour. And that's fine. It's actually better than a half hour. I got busy and was cleaning, doing dishes. Now we're going to put this... And the reason why you want it to sit is so that the salt really gets in there. Because if you didn't, you just put it directly into the eggs without letting it sit for a while, I think most of the salt would just wash off. So now we're at this step. And this step here, you can put saran wrap on top and then cook this tomorrow and turn it a couple times. But I'm going to let it sit in here for... Oh, I've got some time, so I'm going to let it sit in here for a half hour. Here I have about 1.5 cups of flour and a tablespoon of garlic salt. I love this. Seasoned salt, a tablespoon. And then a tablespoon of black pepper. I'm going to mix this up. Put one of the cutlets, I'll call them, turkey cutlets in here. Get it covered. I want to put it back into the egg mixture. Put the other one in here and get it covered. I'll put this one back in the egg mixture and then put it in the flour one more time. So it's kind of like double crusted. Have about 1 inch of oil. It's about 360 degrees. And we'll put our 2 pieces of turkey in there and let them cook. These have cooked for 3 minutes. I'm going to give them a flip. These have cooked another 3 minutes. I'm going to take them out and let them rest. I put the oven on warm and poured out most of the fat. I'm going to make a quick gravy here while they're in the oven on warm. I have it served up with some mashed potatoes and broccoli. Let's have a taste. Mmm. It's so good. Mmm. It's so flavorful. Mmm. Highly seasoned, just right. Mmm. I hope you try this. Take some turkey cutlets, fry them up. It's a wonderful meal. Thank you so much for watching.